Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. Today's video is going to be focused on some natural homemade body products. These are all products that I've used before that really help me on a day-to-day basis. They're all vegan, they're all non-toxic, and just they work. They're very affordable, more affordable than, you know, probably what you do right now. Go out to the store and buy regular conventional products, or just go out to a store and buy expensive natural products. So what I have for you today is a mango butter. I have a mango butter for you all today that is mixed with lavender. That is can be used for the skin and hair. I use it for my skin after I get out of the shower. It's very moisturizing, it's quick to absorb, and the lavender just keeps me relaxed at night and helps me to go to sleep. I have a shea butter for you all that again can be used for the skin or hair, but I use it for my hair to really seal in the moisture that I put in because I have very thick kinky hair that gets very dry very fast, and so this shea butter has really helped me to combat dryness and keep my hair moisturized, as well as retain a lot of length. So I cannot go without this product. I just can't. Whatever you see me do in my hair, this is included always. So I thought I'd share that with you all. And the last product is a natural deodorant that I make for myself and that I've been using for the last month, and that I mean, it works so well. So if you're interested in a demonstration on how I make the products and, you know, the recipe will be in the description box below for every product, and just keep watching for a demonstration. Okay, so we're gonna get started on the first product. So the first product is gonna be my body butter for when I get out of the shower. So for that, I have 100% pure mango butter. It's from the brand Better Shea Butter on Amazon. It was around $15. Over there. And this is how it comes. So to put in my body butter, I'm gonna be putting vitamin E oil, which is from Trader Joe's, jojoba oil from Now Solutions, and lavender oil, because like I said, I usually take showers at night before I go to sleep. And lavender helps me go to sleep, so that's what we're going to be scenting this butter with, and that's it. The reason why I'm using mango butter instead of shea butter for my body butter is because shea butter is really thick and it takes time to absorb. When I take a shower, I'm ready to go to sleep almost immediately. So this is 16 ounces. So we're gonna do, I don't know, what are we gonna do? We're gonna do half. So 8 ounces, which is, I think about is that a cup? So we're gonna half the block. So yeah, shea butter is so thick, and mango butter is thinner than shea butter, and it just absorbs easier than shea butter. Not like anything. So I only have a bit left of this jojoba oil, so I'm just gonna put the rest of that in there. So I want to say that was like a tablespoon of jojoba oil. And this vitamin E oil, I'm gonna put 1/3 of a cup of vitamin E oil. maybe half of 1/3 because that's a lot. This is my lavender oil from Whole Foods. I think I'm gonna put like 20 drops. Which might seem like a lot, but I've been doing this for like 2 years now, so that's like the standard for me. And I'm just gonna take my mixer, and that's what it looks like right now. I'm gonna go ahead and mix it. Okay, so I whipped together this butter. I whipped together this butter. I don't know if y'all could see that. For about, I want to say I was here for like 7 to 8 minutes, and it's not doubled in size, but it's increased in size because as I was whipping, the air started getting in it, and it's super fluffy and just luxurious. So this is my mango body butter. Hair sealant now. And what you're gonna need for this recipe is shea butter, whatever shea butter you can find. This is also from Better Shea Butter on Amazon, and it is 16 ounces, so 1 pound. We're gonna be using the whole block today because we are bulking up, we are preparing. I'm still gonna be using that vitamin E oil. So we're gonna be using castor oil, more jojoba oil, and for the scent, we're gonna be using orange, 100% pure orange essential oil, and then avocado oil. So for my hair, I have very thick, kinky hair that gets very dry very quick, and so I like to use thicker oils to seal the moisture in my hair. And keep them there for a long time. So that's why we're using the castor oil and the avocado oil, the vitamin E oil. Vitamin E just has a lot of good properties for your hair. And we're using jojoba oil because jojoba oil is the closest oil that resembles our natural sebum from our scalp. So that's why I'm using that. And shea butter, we are gonna go ahead and start with our oils. So I'm just gonna fill up this 1/2 cup measure with oil. I don't have exact measurements for the shea butter. You pick oils that you think are going to benefit your hair the most. But this is a 1/2 cup measure, and I'm just gonna fill it up with oil. So we're gonna start with the castor oil, and the base of my oils is gonna be castor oil. Okay, and then just maybe let's say a tablespoon of vitamin E oil. and a tablespoon of jojoba. This is the Trader Joe's jojoba oil. Maybe a little bit more than a tablespoon. And then the rest, I'm just gonna fill up with this avocado oil. So here you can see, this is a half cup measure filled up with oil. Now you can do whatever you want. You can split it up amongst 4 oils like I did. You can just do 1 oil, you can do just 2, but this is what I did. And then we have the orange essential oil. I'm just gonna put straight into here. And the reason I use orange, because shea butter has quite a scent. It's like a nutty scent that, while, I mean, it's not necessarily unpleasant, like it doesn't stink, but when people first get, I put like 25 drops. I love this scent. I put a lot. But yeah, when people first like smell you and smell the shea butter, it doesn't stink, but it does smell a bit off, like maybe weird. So I just use the orange to offset the nutty scent of shea butter. We're gonna pour our oil in. Don't want to waste anything. And if I need more, I'm just gonna add more. So I'm just gonna start mixing. So I whipped this together for about 5 minutes, and the air and just the time that it took just added fluffiness to it. And I think we added just the right amount of oil because it's like still thick, but when you add like your body warmth to it, it just melts into a smooth, luxurious oil. So that is perfect. That's exactly what I want for my hair. Thick but still, I don't know, manageable, I don't know. So we are going to just put this in some bottles for storage. So the last product that I want y'all guys to know about is a deodorant that I make my own deodorant, and I've been using, and it works really good. It's just some lemon juice, so I would say like 4 tablespoons of this, and then I use 1 tablespoon of aloe vera. This is pure inner fillet of aloe vera juice. There's the lemon juice in the produce section of most stores that has a preservative in there that you could use. That's what is in my actual bottle that I've been using for the last month. And you could see that I've only used a little bit, just a fraction of this. Like I'll probably use this for the next 2 months, and it already has a preservative. So when this runs out, I'll start using the regular pure lemon. And yeah, I just keep it in the fridge. So this, when you use a regular pure lemon, you want to make less than this. You don't want to fill the bottle up because it doesn't have a preservative. It kind of is a preservative by itself. It lasts a long time by itself. But yeah, just keep it in the fridge and it lasts for a month. Or if you just want to keep it in your room regular, then it lasts for 3 weeks, which, I mean, both of those are not that different. So I got this spray bottle from Whole Foods, and when I get out the shower, I just immediately, that's the first thing I do. I spray 1, 2, 3 on my armpits, and then I go about my day. Okay, so that is it, you guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope that you try some of these products out and, you know, let me know if it works for you. Just comment down below. Subscribe to see more videos like this, because I do plan on making more, experimenting with more DIY body care. So if you like stuff like that, please subscribe. And I just want to thank y'all for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one.